Good morning, Daryl at the automatic trade desk. It is actually good afternoon now, 12:04 and 32 seconds Pacific time. It's 8:25:23. I'm here trading full automatic today at the automatic trade desk. What did we do today? We traded the ES 10 contracts with strong automatic trading, okay? 10 contracts on the ES, the most liquid instrument in the world, the mini future, the S&P index, okay? What was our result for 10 contracts? $35,075. That's $3,500 a contract on the most liquid instrument in the world. This is truly amazing no hands trading. I didn't have to take any of these trades. In fact, when this, I just checked on it. When this was done this morning, the candlestick was pushed all the way down like this, and we had just a wick on top. Okay, so here price is now, has recovered a little bit. Okay, let's take a look. That's for the daily though. Let's take a look. Well, let's first of all, I'm going to squeeze this together quite a bit. Okay, because I want you to be able to see more of a daily. Okay, so this is where we're going to go with the daily right now. Take a look at this. This is a daily chart, and you can see all the way back to 2018. I know it's kind of small, so I'm just going to take it and get some size here, okay? Let's get some size. We're going to cover up the P&L. That's fine. Okay, so here we go. This is a daily chart all the way, as I said, back to 2018 current price over here. Okay, you see the levels that are in here and how we interact with those levels, okay? Personally, I put my levels at gaps, daily gaps, okay? So everywhere where you see a line, there's actually a gap in price in between one day's closing price and the next day's open, okay? So those are high probability areas at some time to return to, okay? Just as there was a gap made here and then it returned to it, okay? So, and we can see that up here too. All right, so we have currently a gap above and gaps below. Okay, so that's our current situation. This is where you've heard of ATR, average true range on a daily. I have mine set to 7. You could put it 10, you could put it 14, whatever you like to do. Right now, I think I'm comfortable with 7, okay? And so I've put in some trend lines and whatnot, and here we are, okay? ATR is down here. See how it spiked right here when price was coming down? One thing that I've noticed about, and so that's enough of that, but I want to tell you something that I noticed about this latest candlestick that we've got going on here, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and stretch it back out a little bit here so you can see actually every daily candlestick, okay? Because I did notice something today. Take a look at the size of all the candlesticks from here, okay? Particularly the red ones, all right? Particularly the red ones, all right? So I see the green ones are doing really well coming up. We had some big ones, but take a look at the red ones, as I say. Okay, just eyeball the size of these red candlesticks, and then eyeball the size of this red candlestick. Oh, I see something happening here that hasn't happened in a few months. Take a look at that. That's pretty big. In my estimation, just eyesight, even counting this gap, if you consider that entirely a candlestick, which technically it is, it would still have to be down in here to be this size. So I just noticed things in the market. Does that make any difference to automatic trading? No, that's when, there it is. That's that beautiful candlestick we were looking at. But no, it doesn't make any difference, okay? Now, what did we do? What did we do to get this P&L? $3,500 a contract, I want to know, don't you? Okay, automatic. Let's slide back in time, okay? This is the ES, okay? There's our trades, you can see. I'm sliding back in time to the beginning of the trade. Boom, there it is. That's where we entered last night, right about midnight. We went long, okay? We went long, and the market did go long. Did it print against us? A little bit, but not much, okay? And so there we went all the way to target. We're waiting. There, boom. There it hit target. Then what did the algo do? It went short. And there we go. and that short was good too, as we can see, coming down to hit our maximum P&L at 7:28 a.m. Pacific, no, 7:27 a.m. ish Pacific time. That's where we hit our target, and that's how we got our max P&L. So we were 2 for 2 today, 2 trades for 2 on the most liquid instrument in the world, $3,500 a contract on the ES. Amazing in anybody's book. This trading is amazing, okay? In anybody's book. Everybody should be standing up and taking a look at this type of trading, okay? And if you have trading that does anything like this, I would like to hear about it because it is unique on the most liquid instrument in the world. Amazing automatic trading. The results speak for themselves.